If you want to learn the safest way to get book reviews for Amazon KDP, keep watching. In this video, I am giving you the secret keys to getting lots of ebook reviews while never risking your KDP account as a self-published author, and the best platform to do so. Hi, welcome back. I am Gabrielle, a self-published author and a mom of 2 beautiful kids, and I love sharing tips on how to make money online through self-publishing and more. Many authors are terrified of requesting book reviews to increase their sales on Amazon because they are afraid of getting their KDP account banned. But they are also tired of hearing the same boring advice that takes forever to actually work. Yes, placing a book review request inside your book might eventually get you reviews, like many people recommend, but it will not be fast. And with the recent changes to the Amazon algorithm, the books that rank on the first page are usually the ones already getting sales. Trust me, you will not get sales if you do not have book reviews. You should at least have 10 reviews before you can realistically expect sales. And even if you run ads, getting sales is very unlikely without reviews, so you will be wasting money. But how on earth are you going to get reviews if nobody is buying your book in the first place? To even see the review request inside of it. Other people recommend sharing your book for free to get reviews, which is a good launch strategy, but it is also not a guarantee that you will get reviews fast, or even get reviews for that matter. Many people who download free ebooks forget to even read them because it didn't cost them anything. And you cannot ask the people who got your book for free to leave a review in exchange for it, because that is forbidden by Amazon. You can request a review, but the book must go completely free with no strings attached. So people might leave a review, or they might not. I talk more about book launch strategies in this video if you want to check it out. So what are we supposed to do as authors to get at least 10 ebook reviews as fast as possible when we launch? We have to use a book review service, whether we like it or not. And unfortunately, there are many unsafe platforms out there. However, I recently came across BookVillage, which claims to be the only Amazon KDP compliant book review platform. It is a bold but very real claim they take seriously. After using it for several months, I am genuinely impressed with their KDP safety features and everything they do to protect your account. I made a full walkthrough video about it, which you can watch after this one, but they've had a few updates since then. So let's get into it. First, you can sign up for free, and they now offer a 15-day trial to test the platform. With my link below, you get a significant discount for your first 2 months after the trial ends. Or if you choose a yearly plan, you get a $50 discount. When you log in, you land on the dashboard. The first thing you want to do is go to the library to choose a book to review. Doing this gives you access to verified book reviews for your own book. They offer several types of reviews, but the safest and best kind are verified paid promotions. The books are very affordable, ranging from 99 cents to $2.99. These are ebook prices, not paperback. This platform is for ebooks, but when your ebook version has reviews, the paperback and hardcover versions of your book will also benefit and are more likely to get sales. I am choosing to review a book at the $2.99 price point, which means that is the kind of review I am going to earn too. I find a book I like, click on it, and select the verified promotion. BookVillage asks you to confirm that the price on Amazon is correct. I check, and I see it is listed at $3, which is close enough. I am not sure why Amazon shows the price a few cents higher, but it's not a big deal. I purchase it with one click. You do have to purchase ebooks to review them if you want verified purchase reviews, which, like I said, are the safest and best kind. Think of it as an investment. I go back to the book assignment screen, confirm that I verified the price, and book the assignment. If you come across a book that is way more expensive than expected, just skip it and choose a different one. You can also report that inconsistency to BookVillage, and they will ask the author to update it. Now I am in the reader office. which is where all the books you are reviewing will be. You can open your assignment here to view the next steps. It shows a timeline. In my case, that is May 7th to May 14th, which is a deadline to submit the review. Within those first days, you should not submit your review on Amazon. Not until May 12th, which is when the review window opens. This is very important for keeping both your account and the other author's account safe. Some people think they can book an assignment and go straight to Amazon to leave a review right away or a few hours later to get it over and done with. They assume this only affects the other author. It does not. Amazon will flag you too as a reviewer if you review a book immediately, because Amazon does not believe you have actually read it yet. 6 days is a much more reasonable reading window. Here you will also see your tasks for the assignment. First, you have to get the book. They provide a link to it on Amazon if you have not purchased it yet. I already have. Next, you have to read the book. You are probably thinking, do I really have to read a bunch of books just to get reviews for mine? It is highly recommended, but personally, I feel you can write a solid review after reading at least part of the book and skimming the rest. What matters is that you have a real feel for the book's quality and provide an honest and real review. I usually read at least a third to half of every book, if not all, so I can give an honest evaluation and review. It doesn't take much to realize if a book is good or bad. The next step is submitting your review on Amazon. BookVillage recommends your review be at least 35 words long. And whatever you do not use AI to write a book review. Amazon will know, and so will readers. Write it in your own words. In this other video, I talk about how your KDP account can get banned for submitting AI-generated reviews. Do not do to other authors what you would not want done to you. I have received AI-generated reviews before on other platforms, and it is the most disappointing and unsettling experience. Your laziness will have consequences, not only for you, but for every author that you review. It only takes a couple of minutes to write a real honest review. And it doesn't have to be perfect, but it cannot be vague, or BookVillage will not accept it. BookVillage has strong policies against AI-generated or vague low-effort reviews. They check every review you submit and will not approve them if they're bad. They will also remove you from the platform if you break their rules. I have seen it happen. They are not kidding. This is one of the reasons I love BookVillage so much. They are seriously invested in your KDP account safety, unlike other platforms that make recommendations but do nothing to enforce them. BookVillage is serious about keeping their community full of real authors who produce quality books and genuine reviews. The final step is providing the link to your Amazon review on BookVillage. I show you how to do that in my earlier walkthrough. You have 7 days after submitting your review on Amazon to share the link on BookVillage for verification. This is great because it prevents people from claiming they left a review when they did not. BookVillage actually checks every single review. After completing the assignment, I will have earned the right to request a verified book review at the $2.99 price point. That means my ebook price will need to be $2.99, which you can easily adjust on KDP at any time. You go to your KDP bookshelf, and on the Kindle version of your book, which is your ebook, click on the dots and choose Edit Ebook Pricing. It's pretty straightforward after that. Just follow the steps. My ebook is currently priced higher, so I need to either lower the price temporarily, which is highly recommended during book launches and review campaigns, or run a promotion. I can request a free promotion or a Kindle countdown deal every 90 days. I am currently eligible for one. Since I have not yet completed my review assignment, I cannot request a $2.99 verified promo right now, so I am going to run a Kindle countdown deal in the meantime to get the 99-cent verified review. You go to your KDP dashboard, click on the Marketing tab, and select Run a Price Promotion. I am running mine on the Amazon.com marketplace, though I could also run one on the UK marketplace. I am setting up a 99-cent countdown deal starting on May 9th and ending May 16th, which is the maximum length I can run it. That means I will be requesting verified book reviews at the 99-cent price point on BookVillage during that period, starting May 9th. I would love to schedule it in advance, but that feature is not live yet. It is coming soon though. So I will come back to BookVillage on the 9th to start the promotion when the time comes. I will post a video of that process, so like and subscribe so you don't miss it. To request book reviews, you go to the author office where your own books are listed. I talk more about all these sections on the left in my previous BookVillage video. Another thing I love about BookVillage is that every book you add goes through a quick approval process before it is listed. This is also for everyone's safety. It means you will not find low-quality books on the platform. They are committed to keeping their community full of high-quality authors and books, which protects everyone involved. Okay, let's continue with the review request walkthrough. During the trial period, you could get one free review, like the Kindle Unlimited review, without reviewing other book firsts, or a standard unverified promo, or another free promo. But verified book reviews are the best for earning the trust of potential buyers and getting sales. They are also the safest option for your KDP account. You select one of your books, choose Get Promoted, and you will see the types of reviews available to you. As I mentioned, I cannot request the $2.99 verified promotion yet because I have not completed my review assignment, but I do have access to a verified promotion at 99 cents. Notice that the verified free promo is marked as high risk. That is because many people abuse it by requesting it over and over without variety. It is useful during a new book launch for a short window, but Amazon does not favor those types of reviews, and some people report they may no longer count as verified purchases even when you are running a free promo on Amazon. I also do not recommend the standard unverified promotion where you share a PDF for your book. It is fine for picking up a few reviews occasionally, but it should never be your main strategy. Kindle Unlimited promotions are also good, but those reviews are likely not verified purchases either, and they are only available to Kindle Unlimited subscribers. That should not be your only source of reviews. So always aim to get mainly verified paid promotions for the highest level of KDP account safety. Unfortunately, today, I have to wait before requesting any of the verified promos for two reasons. One, my Kindle Countdown deal is not scheduled to start until May 9th. And two, I still need to finish reviewing the $2.99 book I chose before I earn the right to a $2.99 verified promo for my own book. So for today, I am requesting a Kindle Unlimited promo. In my next video, I will show you the full process for the verified paid promos. It is important to know that in spite of this, BookVillage does not offer a one-for-one review situation. At first, it may seem like it, but as you submit reviews through time and earn trust in the platform, you gain access to more and more book reviews. But you have to be worthy of them by proving you are a safe author and reviewer. Anyways, let's continue. The next screen shows scheduling options. Right now, you can only start a promo immediately, but a scheduled option is coming soon. The founder, Adriano, also shares some tips here, and he recommends exactly what I've been telling you. Focus on verified paid purchases. And this is not only true in BookVillage, it is also true on other review platforms if you want to stay safe. I like that you can request more than one review at a time. And to be clear, this is not a review swap. Review swaps, where you exchange books with another author so you each review each other's book, are not permitted by Amazon KDP. BookVillage has strong security measures to make sure review swaps never happen. I know other platforms claim the same thing, but BookVillage goes a step further. They are the only platform that checks all the reviews you have submitted in the past through their browser extension to make absolutely sure you are not accidentally ending up in a review swap situation because of your previous use of other review platforms. I only want one review right now, so I press Start Promotion, and it is live. BookVillage will now start sharing my book with other readers so I can get that one review. You can request up to 6 book reviews per week, which keeps your account safe. Amazon also has this limit. If you are targeting 10 reviews to start running ads, that means you could have 12 reviews in just 2 weeks. And once your book starts selling, you will collect even more reviews from buyers. Your ranking will climb, and your launch will have a much stronger chance of success. Please comment below if you have any questions, and I am happy to answer them. If you want to learn more about launching a book to get more sales, you can watch this video here and download my free book launch checklist in the description. And if you also want to learn how to run super low-cost ads that will help your book rank on the first page of Amazon, watch this video here, where I walk you through how to set up your Amazon KDP ad campaigns without burning through your budget. For even more tips on Amazon KDP and how to get book reviews for low content and medium content books, check out my full KDP Journey playlist, where I share all my videos on earning passive income through Amazon KDP. Finally, remember to watch the next video for the full BookVillage walkthrough that I recorded a few months ago. And remember to like and subscribe if you like this kind of information, and so you don't miss my next video.